Alright, quick fix. So I'm running the program, everything looks fine, and then error pops up saying no module named Librosa. If you're seeing this, chill. Nothing's broken. It literally just means Librosa isn't installed. The fix is super easy. Open command prompt in your project folder and install Librosa with one command. Just type python-mpip install Librosa. Once you hit enter, it'll start downloading stuff automatically. You don't need to touch anything, just let it finish. Anytime Python says no module name something, it's just telling you that package is missing. Install it and you're good. Alright, that's the fix. Hope this saved you some time. Catch you in the next one.